Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is me, Adrian Dumlao. So for today's video guys, please join me because I am heading to Chatuchak Park and Chatuchak Market. And right now guys, so I'm waiting for my motorbike rider because I have to meet my solo friend, solo traveler friend, and that is Jessie. And so if you want to save your expenses from roaming around the city or in your transportation, I rather advise you to go for a motorbike than grabbing a taxi or a private car or what they call this the tuk tuk, because this is way cheaper than and at the same time it will help you to skip the traffic, the traffic jams. In short, this is more faster, cheap, and efficient.
Mag-bye-bye ka, Jessie. Meet Jessie Mendiola. Waiting for our taxi guy.
So since I have company now, so we book it grab taxi heading to the Chatuchak Park. And when you are in Bangkok, guys, so expect more traffic, a lot of traffic. And without much further ado, guys, so it's my honor to welcome you all in this super clean, fresh, and green park in Bangkok. And that is the Chatuchak Park. And I would like to grab this opportunity to big shout out to Joy Tsopahi for spending your time to tour us around in this beautiful park. It is indeed a beautiful park here in Bangkok.
Ito yung introvert namin na kilala, guys, si Jessie. Ayaw magpa-picture. Ito naman yung sawadikap namin dito sa Thailand. Yes. Alright guys, so please stay tuned. This is Chatuchak.
Chatuchak Park.
Chatuchak Park. Park is really green and vibrant. Charot. Full of shits. Charot. It's actually my second day in Bangkok. Enjoying collecting memories. Parang siyang zoo sa atin na.
Kaning diri sa Pikas nga park, mo siya ano dira ka ng pili ka makabike.
Really pa eh. As you can see guys, when you go that side, there's so many people having camping, I know, a picnic together with their friends. So I think this is the best spot or place for you, I mean, with your family during weekends. So it can be your what's this? Happy feel place. Charot! Can I take a fun day, guys?
True.
Kaman na day.
Dagat.
Oh, kaman ka. Ka-weird. Ha?
Di Chanchu.
Di Chanchu. Di Chanchu.
Chanchu.
Di Chanchu.
Adrian.
Di Chanchu, Adrian. Ganun pala yung my name is. Di Chanchu, Adrian. Right. Look at that. Gwapo din rin, okay, friendly environment lang. Look at that. Gani ba ugaw po mga kahoy, no? Welcome to their market. Tama na, day. Ano? Enjoy kaayo. Kaway-kaway people. Yeah. Yan sa amin sa train, guys. Train to Busan. Woo! Swadika. Welcome everyone. Sa pangalan na ni Driday?
Job fair.
Job fair?
Job fair.
And that's all for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video up to the end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please show your love and support by simply writing a comments down below. Bye.